his mental health, and what he's been doing since he's been chilling. Let's see. Turn this down. Turn this up.
Everybody misses you, though.
Touch my
I want
butt.
you to know that, like, that they really miss you because you haven't been around too much.
Yeah, because you know why?
Why?
I don't even hang around there no more. That's why.
What are you doing?
Heard that.
Right.
Hmm?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Heard that.
Me?
Me?
Just hanging around.
Move the webcam a little bit to the
Fighting
right.
Sitting
That
in the
way?
house like I
No,
always
to the right.
does.
That way?
Yeah,
You
that
tired?
I should have said you're the right.
I
was the
was
perfect
tired.
moment,
don't
and I
need to
fucked
be
it up.
around that shit.
They can't.
Nah. My mother taught
That-
me.
yeah,
My
right
father
there.
taught me.
Yep.
Say, don't
Stay
be
out of
hanging
trouble.
That's
around
left.
with these guys.
Or is that your
They
right?
don't do no
That's
but
my
do
right.
drugs.
Oh.
That's why I don't hang around nobody.
Okay, wait.
Wait,
I want to see why you don't hang around.
I don't need to be around that shit.
Hold
Nah.
up.
And stuff.
all right.
Sitting
Roll
in
it
the house
back.
like I always does.
You retired? You retired?
I was tired. I don't need to be around that shit.
Nah.
Nah. My mother taught me. My father taught me.
Yep.
Say, don't
Stay
be
out of
hanging
trouble.
around with these guys. They don't do no but do drugs.
Damn.
That's why I don't hang around nobody.
Damn, that's actually real.
Heard that.
I don't like hanging around with nobody. And they smoke cigarettes and drinking and shit.
Nah, you living a clean life now.
Yeah.
That's good. I could tell.
Look at Beat.
Fuck yeah, beat.
Look at Beat.
We're proud of beat.
I'm proud of Beat.
Yeah. Fuck yeah. You don't be around that shit.
Me?
Me?
The only other person in the room. Me?
You talking to me?
That's why it cracks me up every time, because like that's like me saying that to you. You talking to me and be like, wait, me?
Chris, how you doing today?
Me?
Chris, how you doing today?
Me? It's like genuinely surprised that you're talking to him.
Wait.
Be around that shit.
Nah.
Nah.
Damn it.
I think it's a little bit before.
It's right there.
Retired?
I love it.
Cackles.
I love it. You're genuine.
Always does.
You retired?
Huh?
You retired?
All right.
You to know that, like, that they really miss you because you haven't been around too much.
Yeah, because you know why?
Why?
I don't even hang around there no more. That's why.
What are you doing?
Hmm?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
I love it.
Nothing.
Just chilling.
Dude, he's got enough money, bro. He's good.
No fucking doubt.
I hope so.
Should hope so too. Motherfucker.
And we're
This
gonna- we're about-
goddamn thing doesn't stop falling.
We're gonna get a part 2.
Oh, you got another one?
I do.
like doing,
Oh shit, yeah.
I like doing things like that.
You look better. You
Get
sound
away
better.
from everybody.
Yep.
Get away from drug addicts.
Mm.
I don't like being around drug addicts.
Who would?
Not me. If y'all want to do drugs, that's on y'all. I can't be around you guys.
Just say no, right?
Yep. I keep my head clear, dude. I don't drink, no smoking, no nothing. I just say, no thank you.
No. Just lift,
No thank you, bye.
just lift weights and box.
Lift weights and box. He does box like a lot. He loves beating the shit out of people.
Yeah, and I bet he'll beat the fuck out you too.
dude, he's got a strong
No
right
remorse.
hook, bro.
I'm sure.
Bro.
And I'm sure he don't hold back.
Dude, do you remember that video of him in the back seat with the Superman costume on?
I think so.
And he's some dude has a camera in his face and he goes over and he's like hammer fisting
No, I
him
hadn't
on the
seen
top
that.
of the head. And everybody's like, Pete, stop. He's like, motherfucker.
You gotta show me that.
He's beating the fuck out of this dude.
I know you have it.
Oh, dude, I guarantee you I have it. It's on my Stern thing. I'd have to search for it. I think it's a very deep cut. But we're gonna do a little reunion with a few other lads, and then we're gonna get onto some real shit after
Uh-oh.
that.
Oh shit.
Some real shit.
Chris is about to fire me.
Let's see.
Hey, bro, do you have a problem with me drinking purple Gatorade? Like, I seen your comment, bro. I don't think I'm not noticing your comment. Why you say, hey, bro, why do you only drink purple Gatorade, bro? Do you have a problem with me drinking purple Gatorade or something, bro?
He's so angry, man. So,
Hey, bro.
So frustrated. He's stuttering.
Hey, bro, do you have a problem with me drinking purple Gatorade?
He's so mad.
Like, I seen your comment, bro. I don't think I'm not noticing your comment. Why you say, hey, bro, why do you only drink purple Gatorade, bro? Do you have a problem with me drinking purple Gatorade or something, bro?
Speaking of Daddy Lalo, apparently he can sing like an angel.
No shit.
Yep.
What the fuck?
Yep.
That's the craziest turn of events I've ever heard in my life.
Yep. It's
He's the
deep
most-
on the Your Mom's House Reddit, but it's on there.
Holy shit. I bet you know so much shit about Daddy Lalo from the Your Mom's House Reddit.
I know enough to where,
It's active? Like really active?
yeah, like
Bro.
several times a day.
Shit.
But they have another Daddy Lalagon. Lalagon. I don't know how you say that, but anyway, they got an impersonator. He's probably just as good, but
Nah, dude.
Daddy Lalo is just he's
Dude,
the
the way he dodges that.
The impersonator even does that shit too. It's weird.
It's easy to copy someone.
Yeah,
Fuck that guy.
Lalo does it better.
Yeah, OG Lalo.
Yep, Daddy Lalo.
OG Daddy Lalo.
Lalo.
Papi Lalo.
Papi Lalo.
And all the comments in there is like, Daddy Lalo, please don't get mad at me. They're getting like worse and worse.
Daddy Lalo, when are you getting out?
I love how he just addresses just one comment and he just like, what do you have against me for drinking purple Gatorade? What the fuck?
What's wrong with you, fool?
What?
It's purple
So angry.
Gatorade.
And then he's stuttering.
Purple Gatorade. is good.
All right. On to the next one. We got an update from Daddy Lalo and Beat.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Tweak
shit.
season.
Oh shit.
Are you gonna?
Oh no. What's this?
It's a
play?
little ass bag. Break up with him, sis. Yo, this shit is connected
What?
to the dirt. Con Edison's working with the rats now.
All right, short little update from Tweak season.
It's a little ass bag. Break up with him, sis. Yo, this shit is connected to the dirt. Con Edison's working with the rats now.
Short, sweet, to the point.
I love it. All right, on to the next one.
Oh, I saw this. I love how it's just so slow too.
Look at him.
I know. I noticed that too whenever I saw it.
Just cracking up. Know that
Just a fat smile.
that dude finds that so fucking funny.
Could you imagine him just coming down? Hey, video on your way down. He's like, hey,
Dude, it's probably.
did you see it?
It's probably so silent, and you just hear like the.
I wish you would have videoed it on the outside.
Yes, yes.
That's all you can
I
hear.
need that angle.
And then just a rubber.
And then you just fucking smile. Fucking cheesing, bro. God damn. God damn.
That's big, bro. That's big.
Oh,
big,
bro.
man.
Speaking of things that would never not make me laugh, I was watching this video of this dad just like this dad was like sitting with his son, and then he's like, oh, so like I'm laughing even, and it's like so fucking stupid. He was like, Alexa, play a fart sound,
Oh,
and then
yeah.
Alexa's just like.
Oh, yeah.
And then the kid just started cracking up laughing. And as soon as he was laughing, I was laughing too. And I'm like, I got the same humor. If I hear a fart anytime,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
it's fucking funny.
It's hilarious. Oh, speaking of that, while I was in Houston, they thought I shit myself.
Bro. What?
Yep.
You thought you shit yourself?
No,
How'd you?
my family thought I shit myself because I
you
farted.
fa-
And it was rancid. Turns out the 2-year-old had shit himself.
Dude, how bad did that smell, bro?
It was pretty bad because it lingered.
Oh,
Like, bad. They all thought I shit myself. I'm like, no, I didn't shit
Blaming
myself.
you on Christmas.
I'm saying. I'm saying. And so I went and changed my underwear because they had me believing that my fart was so rancid that the smell had seeped into the fabric of my underwear.
Dude, that's crazy. That 2-year-old waited for the perfect moment to
I'm
shit.
saying.
He's like, watch, I heard Morgan fart. It's my time.
He probably went around the corner and went,
You see him come back like a blood vessel popped on his eye.
DJ, why do you have one red
He
eye?
comes fucking waddling. He's like,
And then my cousin said, I'm glad Ty said something, my little brother. I'm glad Ty said, God damn, Morgan, you stink. I'm glad he said something because at first I was thinking it was the baby. And I'm like, God damn, the baby done shitted himself and I don't want to change his diaper. Well, turns out he shitted himself.
bro, I don't think I've ever, no. I don't think I remember the last time I smelled a shit diaper. And I don't want to smell one.
Meevil.
Me evil.
Meevil. Meevil.
Oh, fuck.
Meevil.
Fuck. I don't know if we have any more updates, but
I give this to you, Chris.
dude, that's 100% going to be in the thumbnail. Just a big fucking cack.
A fat
Fucking cack. Okay, yeah, that's it for the updates. So we're just gonna freeball it from now.
What are those stickers up there?
The Rambling Alcoholic podcast that we got stickers from, my Fleur de Lis thing.
You don't have any more sticky liquid stickers?
I don't know. I didn't even like look that much. I really just put this up like an hour ago. I ain't even gonna lie to you, bro.
Looks
And-
professional.
No, that's crooked. That's crooked. It's fucked.
Fix it in post.
Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna crop out each individual square and rotate it just a little bit.
Exactly.
Yeah, dude, fuck that.
No, it's easy.
Yeah,
Light work.
easy.
Light
Not
work.
easy for me.
Light work.
Not easy enough for me to no.
Yeah, light work.
And then I got that ornament from my madre, and then
The one that says butt.
hello I'm butt. No. Hello
Your
I'm
mom
butt is
gave
from
you
my
butt? Damn. That's like the videos you see online.
Shit, bro, we got to turn it off.
Uh-oh.
Turn the podcast off. Everybody, pay attention to the cock.
Everybody pay attention to the cock.
No, I got the butt one from the comedy club, and then the ornament from my madre. I think, what does that say? Podcast.
Yeah, podcast. something.
Podcast master. What up? Those reminds me of those like gaming
masturbator.
T-shirts. Hey, that's right. Those like gaming T-shirts I used to buy, like Ultimate Gamer and like
Oh,
a fucking
yeah.
Nintendo on them or some shit. That's like the same type of shit that I remember. See, she gets the same type of shit every time.
Hey,
God
how much does it cost to get one shirt printed where you work?
It depends. I can give you a little deal. I would have to find out from Ben though. I could give you a really good deal though.
Yeah, find out. Because I want to do something Japanese.
Mm.
What?
We can do-
I have no idea because I don't know how to speak Japanese.
We can do anything,
Yeah, I know. I saw that computer that you had
bro.
that you put up on your story.
Bro.
I'm like, whoa. It's a fucking shirt printer.
Oh yeah, we have 3 of them.
It's a fucking shirt printer.
Yeah, a shirt printer. It blows my mind.
It's crazy.
You saw it like print out the
Yeah.
fucking Zorro shit.
And then you scroll
fucking-
over to the little screen, and I'm like,
Yeah,
the screen's in color.
yeah, dude, it's advanced, bro.
That's impressive as shit.
Yeah, and then we can like press shit on to shirts. We can like print out graphics and then just like give you sheets of that.
Shit.
We can sell that. That's a lot of people do that actually. I made like 60 sheets, and probably had like 10 logos each on each sheet, and then it was so fucking heavy, and then we just sold it like that.
Shit.
Yeah, but I would advise you get it done by us because we do it the best.
Oh,
we have the
well,
best
yeah.
fucking heat presses. He just got new ones.
Well, I mean, I know someone who can do it, so I'm not gonna order it online.
Right. What we got new heat presses
From China.
Too. Our DTF printer is from China.
You're down to fuck burner?
Yeah,
You fuck that burner?
I'm down to fuck. I do, dude.
Things got pussy on it.
Dude, don't. That's that waist ink basket, bro.
Yeah, the way I'm a sink into it.
Ben, if you hear this part of the podcast, don't hear it. Just
I
that cock
did
has
not
been on the screen
bust
for
a nut
so
in your
long.
printer.
That may be
I
why
busted
the
a nut in your
DTF printer stopped working today.
I busted a nut in your printer.
Yeah. I was on the phone with him
My
trying to
bad,
fix it, and it was all because of you.
Yeah, I'm an IT guy, so I can come. Not.
You can come.
Yeah.
Dude, that cock has been on the screen for way too long. I'm feeling
And
uncomfortable
you've been staring
now.
at it the whole time.
I know, but dude, it's in my dude, it's on 2 screens. I can't not see it.
You've
man.
got a big dick and a mini dick.
big cock, little cock. I hope I can turn up the
I'm
game.
glad I turned around and saw your face. You were.
Dude, that's kind of scary, man.
It sounds like a ghost.
It just stopped.
What the fuck?
And then like a few doors slammed. Damn, man. I hope I can turn up the gain so everybody can hear that. Please.
What the fuck? I can't tell if that's coming from out there or out there. At first I thought it was Tyler, but now it sounds like Kingsley.
No, that's 100% Kingsley. Okay. Until the next time. I have to hear it.
It's gonna happen in 5 minutes. I hope the mics can pick this shit up.
Dude, I hope so, man. He had to clear his throat. All right, for the audio listeners, we need to get on. We have to power through. We have to power through that. For the audio listeners or any listeners, if the game can't pick it up,
That was Kingsley. I don't know what the fuck he was doing.
Yeah, he's singing. He's having a good time.
Anyway, I'll tell you this after. Oh shit! Oh, look at the tire!
Oh, the axle.
Dude, he's so lucky he didn't fucking flip.
Yeah, I know. I got that because you. I remember you telling me that, bro.
Dude, he's so lucky he didn't flip.
That's insane.
That's fucking crazy.
That is crazy. Fucking fell apart. Gah. Caves in.
I didn't realize he said that after.
Fuck.
Fucking
God
gone.
damn. How did he keep, dude? I've seen videos where that
Luck.
does not happen.
Luck.
Yeah. Pure luck.
Yeah.
Pure unadulterated luck.
Pure unadulterated.
Cock. All right, on to the next one. So speaking of Christmas, he got a
Unc got VR.
yeah, exactly. And I think it's a fighting game or some a boxing
You know what's
game.
fucking crazy about VR? My dad got an Oculus, okay? And it must be like one of the newer ones because you don't have to hook it up to a PC.
I know, man.
It's got its own internal storage. Not only that, when you put the goggles on, it's augmented reality and virtual reality.
Okay.
So you put the goggles on and it's got the fucking thing over your eyes. But you can see the fucking room. Yeah.
That's
So like you could put
that's
on the
too
goggles.
many dimensions.
Yeah, you could put on the goggles and go take a piss. And then walk out, go get something to drink.
See,
and
I
come
bought
back.
that shit too early, man.
It's
Fuck.
fucking wild.
I bought it
No,
and
yours
then-
is probably I don't know which one would be better, to be honest, because
Yeah, but I have to set shit up.
I don't fucking well, he's gotta set up boundaries.
Well, I can. There is a wireless adapter.
But it blew my mind when I put it on and I could see like my dad's living room.
Bruh.
I'm like I was not expecting
And you can
this.
like set it up like anywhere.
Yeah.
That's
I was not
crazy.
expecting that.
So he set it up anywhere, and Unc about to.
Yeah, let's see Unc get it.
He in a boxing game right now.
No homo. Oh, fuck me.
Yeah, touch glove.
Why you breathing like that? Man, no, I ain't scared. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Come on, Unc.
Come on, let's go. Way back up. Come on. Oh, come on. Hold on, where you at?
Come on, Unc.
Hold on.
Come on, Unc. Get his ass, Unc. Ooh, that uppercut.
Shit. Oh, fuck. Wait for it. He about to kill him. KO.
Come on, Unc. Oh, what the
okay.
hell, Unc? What the hell? Whoa! Unc. Unc done resorted to cheating. Goddamn.
He kicked him in the fucking face and then swept his legs.
Yeah, touch glove.
Oh, I thought that was coming from out there. That
Why are you breathing like that? He's fucking talking shit to him.
Unc was fucking all ready. I love how he's in his slips.
Yeah. Dude, he has so much. It's like he's actually trying to punch someone.
Unc's trying to kick ass.
He's
He don't
literally
give a
in
fuck
a
if it's
fight.
virtual
Bro.
or not. He ain't scared. Unc ain't
Bro.
scared.
I love the blocking.
I love the sound effects.
And the constant where he at. He about to hit him. Oh! Hold on. About to bust a blood vessel.
Someone give that man a knife. He's scared.
He's scared. Still talking shit.
That was great.
I love it.
Dongle's broken. We gotta make do.
Bruh.
This is even better!
I don't think that's very safe.
No, that's what I'm saying, man. How hard would you be going if that played on the interstate?
You fucking try to
Bro.
ram everyone. You'd have a fucking... Anything in your car is a fucking projectile at that point.
That's what I'm going to be doing. Everybody in the comments is like, this is the most dangerous song to play while driving.
Yeah, everything in your car is just an
Bro.
object that fucking is a shell.
It makes me want to run through a wall right now.
Yep. Oh, it got me lightheaded. That got me lightheaded.
Oh,
I
shit.
shot adrenaline straight through my body.
So dangerous.
I could have ran through the sheetrock like the Kool-Aid Man.
Oh, yeah. I love it, man.
1 whole gallon.
1 whole gallon of Kool-Aid. I drink it every morning.
That's so much sugar.
All right.
It's a cute dog, man.
Oh, thank you.
She was flabbergasted after he said this.
Can I pet it?
Sure.
Yeah, we're actually doing a documentary about dogs. This is
Are you
perfect.
kidding?
Yeah, we're trying to stop bestiality.
Oh, that's
Yeah, no,
great.
it's gnarly. Yeah.
It's like, how can they do that to animals?
I know, I stopped doing it like a month ago. It's a cute dog, man.
Oh,
Perfect
Can I
cut.
pet it?
sure.
Yeah, we're actually doing a documentary about dogs. This is
Are you
perfect.
kidding?
Yeah, we're trying to stop bestiality.
Oh, that's
Yeah, no,
great.
it's gnarly. Yeah.
It's like, how can they do that to animals?
I know, I stopped doing it like a month ago.
Like a month
So
ago.
fucked up.
Yeah, it happened.
She was flabbergasted after I said that.
I could imagine.
Yeah, I can imagine why, man.
She's probably in her 60s. You do what?
What? To the poor puppy? All right. All right, skip.
All right, man, we gotta go. We gotta go. She's about to have a heart attack. We gotta go. Lady.
Lady.
Oh shit! Hold up. I missed that. Damn!
How brutal.
Damn!
Oh my god. No.
I think it's time to get
Are
get
you
some
okay?
different steps.
No. Dude,
It's time to get
that was
different
such a
steps.
brutal fall.
Same.
God
He fell like
damn.
right on his.
Oh.
Ow! That thing. Fuck.
No.
I think that might be it. Oh yeah, pause it.
Jesus.
Pause it. Okay. Yeah, there's one more revisit. I'm sorry I'm gonna have to do this to you. I'm
fucked.
sorry I'm gonna do it to me because this legitimately scares me.
That's fucked.
All right, let's play it. Oh, wait.
Have you heard of Elf on a Shelf? We'll get a load of
Cock on a sock. That's the only thing I can think of. Cock on a sock.
It's not even in it. It's on it.
What does that mean, man? Cock on a sock.
Nursery rhymes brought to you by the Broke Not Life podcast. Feel free to use everywhere.
Dude, you can't put me. I saw your look, and your look was like you have to come up with something right now.
Yeah,
And I was
exactly,
Like,
right
I was
now.
like, no. Cock on a sock.
I saw the gears twisting and then cock on a sock. Cock on a sock.
All right. This legitimately scared me, so I hope it legitimately scares you. This is read the username first.
This I will right after this. This reminds me of something that I was gonna watch the other night, but I was falling asleep as it was like getting into like the creepy parts, and it had a doll in it with a little girl next to it, and I swear something happened, but I wasn't paying attention to what was going on. I was focusing on something else, and I like dozed off and then came back like right whenever it was happening.
Nah.
And
Bro,
I'm like-
what the fuck? Why? Why'd you do that?
I don't know, but I turned it off after. I'm like, don't know what it was, didn't see it, don't want to know. I'm going to bed.
Never watching this movie again? Delete it?
Yeah, I don't even know it's in my watch history. And,
Delete the subscription service?
But yeah, I've deleted the app. I've deleted my Gmail.
I've factory reset my phone.
I've factory resetted my head. Do you know how to do that?
Factory reset your head?
Your brain?
You get a drill. Lobotomy.
Jesus, that's a little bit. That's a little too far.
Brain wipe. You put that shit like on Shutter Island.
Enough mushrooms will do it.
Hey. Take a full... What was that sound? Take a full sheet of acid.
Sure. Fuck.
Acid, ayahuasca, DMT, shrooms. Full reset.
I would have to give you a seizure.
Dude, yeah.
It would have to.
Yeah. It would hit, and then you'd have a seizure.
Or unless if you
No.
did it all
No.
in the perfect amount, in the perfect order,
No. All
and
at
they
once.
all started coming on LSD. And then, no, the ayahuasca would have to kick in last.
LSD
or
lasts
first.
like 8 hours.
Yeah,
It
but the
lasted
ayahuasca
really
is
long for
really
me.
going to be the only one that would make you throw up. I don't know. Let's try it.
All right, let's do it.
Cool.
We're on all that right now. That's why this podcast has been fucking crazy. I don't even know what the fuck's going on.
All right, playing along with that, we zap back to reality, and we're both just...
Yeah, I go to edit the
we're-
episode, and the entire time we're just staring at each other,
No,
not even communicating.
No, we're both going... and you go...
That reminds me of Always Sunny. They
Yeah.
you know what I'm talking
Yeah.
about? They do this elaborate performance, and then at the end, it's just Mac with his shirt off.
I think he was huffing gas or glue that episode. And that's what made him hallucinate all that. So yeah, we're just hallucinating right now.
Yeah. Elf on a shelf, cock on a sock. Let's roll it.
Fuck.
Fuck on a duck.
Damn it.
All right, let's see what Elf on a Shelf has. Oh, wait, read the username.
Lights are off.
On TikTok. We're revisiting them. Bro, nah.
Dude, did you see the eyes? That's
Just wait.
creepy.
No.
That is Slender Man.
I know. That's why it scares me.
Fuck.
Oh!
Fuck off. I got
Don't
chills.
replay it.
I got chills.
I've seen it 3 times and I still got chills. It's like coming up. It's like it went through my arm and it like hit my brain.
Dude, same. It started like right here.
Yeah.
And it went up.
I still feel the tingling.
I
Fuck
don't
that.
like it. I don't like it. I like it, but I don't like it.
Yeah, me too. I like it, but I don't.
Yeah. I like how it makes me feel, but not afterwards.
Nah, dude. I just don't. I don't like how long the legs are, man.
That little thing can go fuck itself.
Yeah. That little thumbnail that I see can go fuck itself. That little profile picture, every time I see that, fuck you. You fucking cock. Oh, no. No.
Jesus.
Nah, dude, I don't fuck with that. I don't fuck with
Fuck.
that, bro. My hand is over the screen. I refuse to look at it. Oh, no.
Dude.
Dude, it's so menacing, man. It's staring into my soul. Fuck. Okay, I think that's it.
Come on up.
All right, speaking wait. We were talking about we're going to get out of the Gramps basement. We were talking about LA Revival and fucking my job and shit and you getting some shirts or whatever. And speaking of all that, I mentioned the anime gallery that he has, all those anime shirts. You can close out of that. I actually have
This?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah, you
Evernet?
can. Yeah. I got it perfectly propped up on my leg right now.
Oh.
But he